All right, Table Talk. This week in Tabletop Shock, we've got some great news for the forgetful fan of Critical Role. Forgotten Realms is back for D&D 24, baby! Faerun supplements! So we've got the Heroes of Faerun, and we've also got the Adventures in Faerun. And if you want something a little bit more interesting, you want a more artistic looking set of D&D books, we've also got variant covers available. If, on the other hand, you actually prefer some dragons in your Dungeons and Dragons, there's also the Dragon Delves supplement available for pre-order now. So check that out and let us know if that is something that you want us to get in. Still in TTRPG land, we are getting into the unrealistic body standards, which is to say your 28mm minis, they fit. The skinny minis are a set of 28mm compatible miniatures that are printed directly onto flat sets of acrylic, so they are absolutely perfect for those of you who are needing something that will pack away flat. They're also really, really great for those of you that don't have the time to paint dozens of miniatures, but still want a really cool looking game or to be able to do a nice little photo shoot. Now, speaking of never painting your minis, Warhammer pre-orders, jump cut! We are heading back in time to the Age of Sigmar and getting in a bunch of Nighthaunts and Flesh Eater Court minis. Just getting them out of the way, we've got the codices and dice. For the Flesh Eaters, there's the Spearhead Charnel Watch, Charnel, with an abhorrent Gore Warden, and it comes with some cute little doggies. Or, if you just need a bunch of cannon fodder, the Scarlet Jury comes with 10 Crypt Guards under Justice Gormain, plus a Royal Decapitator that can be used in a regiment of renown. The Nighthawks are supported by Nagash Lord's Vitrolic, and now available as single units. The Spearhead pack is the Cursed Shackle Horde. It's Spirit of Torment with 2 Chain Ghasts as its 3 heroes, and those guys are accompanied by 10 Bladegeist Revenants, 10 Dreadscythe Harridans, and 2 Dreadblade Harrows as your cavalry units. And, of course, we do have the return of the Short Kings to the 40k universe with the League of Votann. These abhumans are the dwarves that you have been missing and are still available if you look up the following codes. Those of you who are actually needing to catch up on your old world lore, Black Library is re-releasing the Legend of Sigmar Omnibus. All of those stories by Graham McNeil, fantastic author, and you can actually finally find out why you, in particular, are a heretic. Jump cut! In terms of LARP stuff, we actually have some great news from Epic Armory, and that is the release of a brand new Stronghold design, the Ryugan Katana, which you can see in all of its glory. No, I'm kidding. You'll be able to see all of its glory tomorrow when it releases. Of course, it has that Stronghold durability, so you will obviously be able to fold this foam in half 10,000 times and then cut through a tank whilst stopping Nerf bullets with it. We hope to see you here for our next Paint and Play Day in store, which is going to be this date. Just remember, you don't actually have to wait for the Paint and Play Days. Whilst they are a fun little chill out space for us to just hang out, have a couple of bevies, paint, make some bonds, make some new friends, do something constructive, we are intending for you to be able to just come in and see us at any time to talk about LARP or tabletop. Hope to see you on the battlefields.